Welcome to the T-shirt manufacturing factory. In this video, you will see the complete process of how T-shirts are made in a factory, from raw cotton to finished T-shirt ready for packing. Every step is shown in simple and clear way. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the full factory process. Large trucks arrive at the factory carrying raw cotton. Workers unload big bundles of soft white cotton. This cotton is the main raw material for making T-shirts. The cotton is cleaned to remove dust and dirt. Machines separate unwanted particles from the cotton. Clean cotton is sent for the next process. The clean cotton goes into spinning machines. These machines pull and twist the cotton fibers. Slowly, the cotton turns into long threads called yarn. Yarn rolls are formed on large spools. Thousands of meters of yarn are produced every hour. These yarn spools are sent to the knitting section. In the knitting section, large circular knitting machines are running. The yarn is fed into the knitting machines. The machines knit the yarn into soft fabric. This fabric is made in large tube form. Rolls of fabric come out continuously. The fabric is checked for quality. The plain white fabric now goes to the dyeing section. Large dyeing machines are filled with colored water. Fabric rolls are dipped into the dye. The color spreads evenly into the fabric. After dyeing, the fabric is washed to remove extra color. Then the fabric is dried using hot air dryers. Bright colored fabric rolls are ready. The dried fabric goes through finishing machines. These machines make the fabric smooth and soft. Steam pressing removes wrinkles. The fabric is rolled neatly. Now the fabric is ready for cutting. Large layers of fabric are spread on long cutting tables. Workers place T-shirt patterns on the fabric. Automatic cutting machines cut the fabric in perfect shapes. Front part, back part, and sleeves are cut. Bundles of cut pieces are made. These bundles move to the stitching section. In the stitching section, many sewing machines are running. Workers stitch the front and back parts together. Sleeves are attached carefully. Neck rib is stitched to the collar. Each worker does one stitching task. Slowly, the T-shirt shape is formed. Extra threads are removed. Overlock machines make the stitching strong. Workers check every T-shirt for loose threads. Clean T-shirts move forward. Some T-shirts go to the printing section. Designs and logos are printed using screen printing machines. Heat machines dry the print. The design becomes permanent on the fabric. Workers check every T-shirt carefully. They check stitching, color, and size. Defective pieces are removed. Only perfect T-shirts go to packing. T-shirts are steam ironed. Wrinkles are removed. Workers fold the T-shirts neatly. They look clean and fresh. Folded T-shirts are packed in plastic bags. Size labels and brand tags are attached. Many T-shirts are packed into big cartons. Cartons are sealed and labeled. Packed cartons are loaded onto trucks. These trucks deliver T-shirts to shops and markets. The T-shirts are now ready for customers. This is how t-shirts are made in a factory. From cotton to finished t-shirts, a complete journey inside the manufacturing process. Thank you for watching.